My mother is a fantastic cook and she's from Kerala, a land filled with rich spices and coconut. Growing up having all those rich flavors, I wanted to incorporate some essence of Kerala in my own homemade granola. Hello and welcome. This channel is all about inspiring one another and building each other up. Let's quickly look at the ingredients. I'm taking 2 cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, and I'll be using 1 teaspoon of fresh ground ginger powder. I'm using 3/4 cup of Jaggery powder, 3/4 cup of cut almonds, 1/2 to 3/4 cup of cut walnuts, 1/2 cup chia seed, 1/2 cup coconut oil, and some coconut flakes, which I'll be adding later on. First, I'm preheating the oven for 275 degrees. I'm greasing the pan with coconut oil. Coat the pan really well with coconut oil or olive oil or any other oil that you wish. You may use butter as well. Now let's start mixing all the ingredients together to a big bowl. I'm going to add in the oats, almonds, walnuts, chia seed. In goes the Jaggery powder. Mix everything together, adding 1 teaspoon of ginger powder. We use a lot of ginger in our Indian cooking, and this is going to enhance. I love ginger. To this, I'm going to add 1/2 cup coconut oil. Mix it really well. I'm going to pour in this mixture that we made. Pat it and spread the mixture evenly, covering the whole pan, including the edges, so that it bakes evenly. You may leave it in the oven for an hour, or you may leave it for an hour and 15 minutes or 20 more minutes. Make sure to stir in every 15 minutes from the oven so that it doesn't stick to the pan. Placing this in the oven, keep it for an hour and keep stirring every 15 minutes. This simple, easy, nutritious homemade granola is going to save some time, money, and gas. So keep watching. Look how beautiful this has turned out. It's nice and brown. I can already smell the jaggery, ginger, and coconut in here. I'm so pleased that I've added and kicked in some essence of Kerala. I'm going to add in this coconut flake and mix it all together and let it cool down before storing it in a tight container. In the meantime, I cut some fruits. I'm going to add some fruits and just put some fresh baked granola and enjoy it. There you have a nutritious vegan delight right there, and you can enjoy it too.